We are at 729 86th Avenue North in St. Petersburg. I'm going through the main 4-inch fence back here. The complaints is that they keep getting backups pretty much everywhere in this house. And there goes a combo tying in. There's only 2 bathrooms here. This cast iron appears to be in wonderful shape. So, first evidence of toilet paper. And we got some more toilet paper. It looks like I'm just in a big wad of toilet paper right now. I'm hoping to get this all cleared up with just my camera. We can see that's just all toilet paper just getting all locked up. Really common for me to see this. I'm going to try to run some water on the inside and see if I can get this to blow through. Should have poked this a couple more times. Alright, looks like I broke whatever that was loose. I'm going to go ahead and run it all the way as far as I can. I'm a little concerned that that looks like Orangeburg. Yeah, this looks like Orangeburg. So oftentimes Orangeburg, what happens is it becomes lumpy and breaks. You can see that this is the good news. I was able to get through it, so I'm going to have to mark where it ends and then where it begins. You see it's slowly starting to fall in on top of itself. So right here is the city tap. I'm going to go ahead and locate this. Okay, so this is going to be in the center of the driveway. Actually by the sidewalk, there's already a little sanitary cap from the city side. So we got cast iron just shortly after it. And then the transition of Orangeburg is right after that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to locate the other end of this Orangeburg. This is 1000% Orangeburg. Very, very, very problematic. Very lumpy. Tends to fall apart. So there's another section of where it makes it goes from cast iron, very short section, and then straight back to Orangeburg. So I would replace all of it, all the Orangeburg and the small sections of the cast iron all the way to the city tap from where it exits the house. It should exit the house as cast iron and then make the transition to so right here. That's 26 feet. Sounds about right. I'm going to go ahead and locate this. Alright, so now we're back in the cast iron. You can see that was the original part of the clean out. So everything else underneath the house should be. Okay, so we do have a problem with roots. Where's this going to be at? So this part's in cast iron. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to locate this spot here. This seems like where it starts. Okay, so this is right outside the house. So I'm going to pull on the back side of this, which is right here. So hopefully this is all contained with outside the house. Oh, sorry, I paused the video because I was trying to pull my camera back. So the main problem is going to be the roots that's right outside the house. The start of the roots is marked with orange paint, and the ending is also marked with orange paint. It's the bad part with where it ends, it's going to be likely right in the footer. So it's just not going to be fun. But that's where it is. That's the major problem. All the pipes underneath the house is in great condition. And this will conclude the video.